So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a copyright notice to your footer that auto updates just with a little code component, which is really useful on most sites. I would say pretty much every site where you've got a copyright notice and you want the date to always be accurate. So on the page here, I've got this very simple little page, and I'm just going to put a frame into the page here, and we'll make sure that it's actually in the page. So I'll just pop it down there, and let's make this fill, and we'll put a layout on it, give it 40 pixels of padding, that's fine. And then let's put some text in it. So we're going to put 3 pieces of text in. We're going to put in the copyright symbol, so I've just put a C in there for now, and we'll go and get that copyright symbol in a minute. And then I'll duplicate that. Let's put this will be where the year is. And then let's put the notice in here. Now just for speed, I'm going to go and grab some bits and pieces from my own site just to speed up the process of putting the text in there. So just put that in there, and we'll delete everything but the copyright. We'll leave that there, and then the notice itself, I'll just take everything out but that. There we go. And then we'll just set that to fit content. Fit content. Got a couple of carriage returns there. And let's select them all and set to fit content, so that everything, looks like I've got a carriage return there as well. There we go. And let's change the padding to, let's say, 4. Okay, so we've got our copyright notice here. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a code override. So if we go to my Framerverse site here, and we're on the current year auto updater, it's at the bottom of the page. You'll find the code. You just click to copy. We can see it's copied there, and then we'll go into Framer. We'll go to assets, and we'll click on the plus button next to code here. We'll create a new code override, and let's call this year updater. Let's not have a space in there. Click create, and we've got this sample code there. I'm going to select it all, remove it, and then just save it. And now on our frame here, or on our text, we're just going to select that year. So we've separated it all up so that we could apply the override to just this piece of text. And then with that selected, in the right hand panel here, go down to the bottom to code overrides, select the year updated, which we just added, and then select the current year. So if I preview this now, we can see that that word year has now been updated to 2024, and that will always be updated. So we can just turn this into a component now and call it it's not the footer, it's the copyright, but for this particular video, let's just call it the footer, and then we can put that in every page. Ooh, we've got it fixed, so let's set it to fit there. And now we can see that it's been updated even on the canvas, because it's a component and it's being processed while it's on the canvas. So it's as easy as that. And whilst this is it's a tiny little component or a tiny little code override, it's really useful. So if you add it to something that you use all the time, your own library of components, you just drag them onto the page, and they're always up to date. Hope that you find that useful and you can use that in your projects, and thanks for watching.